Red, orange. It's 11:45 at night. Her parents are sleeping. It's lit. I washed my hair in the sink.
We're making slime with this stuff. I got a lot of stuff to do.
Destiny watches these videos. Hey, Destiny. Hi, Destiny. Oh, yeah, sure. We have Tide to go. No, we have Tide laundry detergent.
We have
Good job.
Elmer's school glue.
Eye drops. Why? I don't know.
You got your shaving cream.
Yeah. Spoon.
Get on that side, you big hippo.
Me? Hey, I missed you. First, you need to put the glue in to make it gluey. It's full.
Yeah, that's nice.
Tell me when to stop.
Big batch,
so like,
tell me when to stop.
like that. Oh, no, like that much. Next, we do shaving cream.
But yeah, so it's
like
nice
slime,
and soft, and you
so
got
it's
that nice
tummy
texture.
Yeah.
Oh wait, am I doing
Oh, there's a cat.
You can't see me.
Such a kid. Okay, a little bit at a time.
I love how like I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh no. How about you tell me? Like so.
Like so.
You know you can just tap on it.
It looks kind of weird right now, but it's cool.
Oh! What did you do?
So that's next. We're gonna make the detergent. Okay, is this like my video or something? Put it in.
Go ahead.
Okay, stir. If you stir it, it starts to get slimy.
It is. Clumpify.
It is so cute.
It looks like a marshmallow.
Yeah. But see, oh my god, it's gonna be so sticky at first. Like, so sticky.
It's like a marshmallow.
It'll stick all over
No,
you.
put more in it. That means you have to put more.
Yeah, so do what she said.
Boobies. Oh, we can't see our faces anymore.
We're here. This should be the thumbnail. Wait.
Like so.
Too long, like it takes too much work. Oh, it's not sticky right now. Usually it's
Don't touch
sticky.
it.
Usually it's sticky as
Is it good?
frick. I think we have, wait, let me feel it. Pick it up.
No. I don't even know if this does anything.
It probably does.
But I saw it on a lively, so obviously it works.
It's like,
Whoops.
Cesley, Lola, have
Oh my god, I ruined it.
Cesley, have you heard that? It's so
It looks like brains.
Ew, she put too much freaking detergent. Be scared to touch it.
But okay. Oh gosh.
Listen.
Some big church.
I got beans, creams, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, rams, cheese, creams, potatoes, tomatoes, chicken, turkeys,
Version of dancing. Lucas, this is so bad.
It's dripping.
No, it's nice.
Oh gosh. We are not doing this right. What is this?
That's disturbing. The result. We did too much Tide, but I like it. It's gooey and slimy.
No, but that's not how slime.
Wait, I'm gonna do an ASMR video. Today I'm making an ASMR video. I got my slime. Wait, nice. Wait, very nice. Okay, so my slime.
Dates, tomatoes,
Looks very
Don't
nice.
even like do that. Wait. Dang it.
I just watched one of these videos today.
You did?
Yeah, they like cut them.
Stick.
Okay. It's not.
Oh, that is not
It's the rich
satisfying.
house.
No, I want to clean like a little Twinkie form. Oh yeah, that's nice. It'd be slime in Thanksgiving dinner.
It's not like nice looking.
Yeah, because it's all wet from
No, it's not
detergent.
wet.
It's fine. It's slimy.
Shaving cream?
Yeah, put shaving cream on it. No, that will make it not like slimy.
Really? Okay, wait.
Yeah.
Let me hold it then.
Are you sure? See, it's not like slimy anymore, right?
Yeah.
Why are you wiping it off?
Stop it.
Green bean.
It's making my hands gross.
So what's too much? I think I put too much.
No, you think?
What if Dave comes out here and he's like,
Alright, we're good. Was in camera.
yeah, well I didn't.
It's not
It's not funny at all. It looks like a freaking cloud. Cesley, I just washed my hair.
My forehead is shining brighter than my future.
Okay, so this was our slime.
Hey, it looks pretty good now.
Baby blue.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. It turned out way better than mine did.
Yeah.
But now we're gonna go play with silly string and what the frick, and we're gonna make a video out of it. So this is gonna be making.
Get out of here with that stuff.
Our slime. I mean, our silly string.
Because
It's
we
like
did silly
slime.
string and we picked it up off the street because we're good kids and made a ball out of it. So yeah.
Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye, guys.